Alright, this is the second tutorial for creating a file for the EPS file to go to the laser so you can etch your toolbox. So I've found my image. I'm going to open Adobe Illustrator. We're going to import that image. So we're going to go File, Open. I saved it onto desktops. It's this one here. Let's bring that in. Okay, because it was a larger image, it's occupying a lot of our workspace here. So the first thing we want to do is get rid of this artboard in the back. So to do so, hit View, and we go down to Hide Artboards. So now we've got a much cleaner workspace. We need to turn this image from a PNG image into an EPS file. The reason for that is the laser at the moment cannot define any coordinates for the laser tool to actually follow, so we need to map in some X, Y, Z coordinates so the laser actually follows these coordinates and does its etch across the image where we want it to be etched on our timber. First thing we want to do is we're going to create an image trace of this object. So we've selected our object, making sure that it's selected, we can move it around. We want to go to Object up the top, scroll down until you see the tab that says Image Trace. We want to go Make. So we're making an image trace of that object. This side panel just changed for us. This option here, we want to open the image trace panel. So that's like the settings of our image trace. So we're going to click that little icon there. Everything here stays the same except in the advanced drop-down box. You must click the advanced drop-down box and you have to click Ignore White. If you do not select this box, the etch will do a double etch or a double cut of everything because it's cutting the black line and the white line. If we select Ignore White, we only need it done once, and that's what it's going to do for us now. After those have been both selected, we then hit Expand. We can close that image trace options, and now you can see that we've got an outline around the outside of that Raven's emblem. Once we have that outline and you can see that it's there, you can move it around. We're going to save that as an EPS file. So you go File, Save As. You guys should be saving this in your Google Drive folder. I'll be saving this onto the desktop just for this tutorial. You can call it what you want. Put your name in the title. So mine will be SRV Ravens. And importantly here, you need to change this from an AI file to an EPS. If you don't do that, this will not work. So I've changed it to an EPS file. I'm going to click Save. This is important. It must be saved in the Illustrator 8 version. So under the version, click the drop-down box, Illustrator 8. In the preview format box, we want none, and we want to deselect all of these options. So again, EPS Illustrator 8, none for format, and we want to uncheck all of the boxes. Then we click OK. Yes, we want to save it in an older format because that's what our laser reads. And now that file is ready to be emailed to myself, Mr. Ravel, and I can send it through the laser for you.